clean shoe, and I really was digging them, man. But y'all know what time. It's time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, I'm definitely gonna have to give these joints right here, man. Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we talking about one of Reebok's legendary, most classic sneakers, man. I remember when this shoe came out in the early 90s, man. This guy's signature shoe, who it was, he was dunking on everybody, breaking rims, doing all types of stuff, man. And Reebok came and gave him the bag, man. And he got his first signature shoe, first or second signature shoe, I can't really remember. It was a very long time ago. We talking about Reebok's Shaqnosis, man. When they came out back in the days, I was a kid and I ain't really want them. You know, I was running around trying to get the Jordans and all that, man. I remember my pops told me, like, you should get the Shaqnosis, but that's another story. We can get into that another time. But I know you guys know that we got the website up right now, man. It's p4yt2016.com. That's the website for all the merch. If you want to get any hoodies I'm wearing in these videos or anything like that, that's where you can find it at, on the website. And also, hit that subscribe button, man. Help us get to 850 subscribers. Right now, we are approximately 815, 16 subscribers, man. So help us get to that 850 mark. And make sure you hit that like button and that bell icon so you guys will be notified we dropping new content to the channel. I know y'all tired of me talking and y'all want to see this shoe. So let's get into it. Here you guys go. Reebok OG Shaqnosis. Let's get straight into the shoes. You guys see, you got the circles around the shoe, like you're looking at a twilight, you're in the zone or whatever the case may be. You have suede on the black, and on the inside is white right here. You have a metallic Reebok sign right here. You got like a little, this is the a little honeycomb thing that they used to have on most Reebok sneakers back in the days. A lot of Reebok classic sneakers have this honeycomb here. If you go over to the back panel, you have the Shaq logo right here. When he was dunking, breaking rims, this was his logo back in the days. As you can see, his shoes that used to be in Payless and stores like that, this is the logo that's on it. Flip it over to the other side, you have the Reebok here, metallic also, white on. You got the black and white sole here. Coming around to the front, you got the Shaq logo here also. Got some holes right here on the toe box with the suede tip. You got the mesh tongue with suede coming up the tongue also, and then you got the metallic Reebok sign here also. And the inside of the shoe, you have a really thick tongue, and then you have like a pull tag here with protection on the back here, if you guys can see that too, man. I just thought this was a cool shoe to get, man. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, my pops wanted me to get the shoe back in the days, and I wasn't really a fan. I was like, I wanted Jordans, you know, like most kids growing up, they wanted Jordans, and I was getting Jordans, but in addition to the Jordans, he wanted me to get these, and I passed on these, man. I just thought these was dope. I immediately caught an idea in my mind that I want to do with these, so when y'all see me wear these, I will have the idea together to fit or whatever the case may be. But these are just a clean shoe, man, and they released on the low. Like Reebok just dropped them. I ain't really see them on no sneaker websites talking about them. And I went on the Reebok website and they pretty much, you know, sold out, man. And they got like small sizes left. I think it was a 9 and down. So if you wear that size, man, you might be unlucky. If you want these, man, but the shoe is clean right here, man. Like I can't wait to wear them and pull them out and, you know, and show everybody what I want to do with these, man. Like, you might not see the vision now, but this is definitely an OG clean shoe, man. And I love OG sneakers. Most sneakers that's coming out now are OGs. You only have a couple pairs of new shoes that's coming out, but most sneakers are OG shoes, and they, you know, they remake them, or they give somebody a chance to remake that shoe or whatever the case may be, like Off-White, Travis Scott, and things of that nature. So, but this shoe is definitely clean, man. I like it a lot, and I can't wait to wear it. When y'all see the idea I got for these, it's gonna be crazy when I put it together. But let me know what y'all think about this shoe, man. If y'all like them, leave them in the comments below. If y'all think they ugly and they just look like a stupid shoe that was put together, man, leave it in the comments below, man. All comments are welcome, and I do respond to every comment. These are clean right here, and I like them a lot, so I picked them up, man. Like when they released them at 12 a.m. I was on it. Like I was on it, and I ordered them, and they came in. I had them for about a week now, but you know, we just launched the website. I had a lot of different stuff going on. I had my everyday living. I'm also a father, so I do a lot, you know, and I'm trying to do things, you know, with the brand or whatever, man. So, but The video's here now, so you know you guys can check it out, man. And you guys can also go on Reebok and try to score your pair if they have your size available, or just check online. They may, a couple of other stores might have them. I didn't see them in any Foot Lockers, anything like that, man. But clean shoe, and I really was digging them, man. But y'all know what time. It's time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, I'm definitely gonna have to give these joints right here, man. 4 pennies out of 5, man. Really comfortable shoe. I believe it's stylish if you rock them the way you want to rock them. Everybody have their own different style, how they wear things. I like to wear my sneakers loose, and you know, I like to do different things with them and wear different stuff that a lot of people aren't wearing. Buy what you like, don't buy into the hype, man. I've been saying that forever, and that's just real, man. I like these joints, so I had to get my hands on a pair, man. But let me know what y'all think, man. If y'all think I'm tripping with the 4 pennies, man, let me know. Leave it in the comments below. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.